With the best of everything, let's take a look at the Intey Kitchen Shears multifunction scissors, heavy-duty utility shears with sharp blade black, model USAIN 102712. Now these are pretty cool. It's a stainless steel polypropylene. Let's see what it says. A user's manual. Well, I see model NY-K13. Well, it rolls off the tongue a lot easier. Handle is made polypropylene and thermoplastic rubber. Cool. Thermoplastic rubber is, of course, a plastic material that has a rubberized finish. And this heavy grip is a bit small for my hand, but that'll work. I'll leave a finger out. Okay, our device. You notice that easily comes apart for dishwasher. And you go cutting up chicken pieces. You don't want chicken blood in there. So this has a serrated edge for excellent gripability. Scaling, you're doing fish. Bottle grip. Am I doing it right? Oh no. There we go. Come on, get back in there. And we have a prying item, dislodge bone joints, a bottle opener, our secondary pry, of course our bottle opener grip for those little tight bottles. You just can't get them to open up. It has a nice sharp scraper here. Peel vegetables. It's a very nice multifunction shear, and this has a huge rivet and cap. That's pretty slick. Now let's see if we can find some action for our NY-K13 Intey Kitchen Shears. Why don't you meet me out in Nutritional Laboratory 13. Glad you can make it. Welcome to Nutritional Laboratory 13. The Nut Lab 13. Okay, let's see what we can do. And neatly open, so I'd like to salvage that. Keep the vegetables in the bag. Now, short of that actually being of assistance, and we will just take our shears and off it goes. Okay. sharp as a razor. Excellent. Nice, tight, sharp kitchen shears with a lot of leverage on them. Multi-purpose. I like that. Or Intey. Get some I did, and I am darn happy about that. Well, you'll pardon me, it's time to finish preparations for the Easter feast tomorrow.